continue. Have you ever thought about what makes certain people attractive or what makes you attractive to others? There are actually psychological reasons that explain why others find you attractive, and you might be surprised to learn it goes much deeper than physical attractiveness. Here are 8 psychological reasons that make you attractive. 1. Your smell. Have you ever taken your partner's favorite jacket? Do you ever think about why it means so much to you and why it reminds you so much of them? It turns out that their natural scent plays a big part in their attractiveness. A certain smell can be a trigger for important memories, but the sense of smell also involves a type of hormone called pheromones. According to a 2013 study by Jay Varagi and others, we don't quite know the entire role of pheromones in the human body. We do know that it is connected to both the olfactory system and partner selection. Essentially, this means that the smells of certain chemicals given off by your body, often through sweat, can make you more attractive to certain people. 2. Your chemistry. Have you ever had great chemistry with someone? According to biological anthropologist Helen Fisher, romantic chemistry is directly linked to brain chemistry. Fisher explained that when we're attracted to someone, there is heightened activity in certain neurotransmitters and hormonal systems, including dopamine, serotonin, testosterone, and estrogen. So when you meet someone and you feel great and feel drawn to them, that's a good sign. You two probably have great chemistry, and this person might also be drawn to you in the same way. 3, your diet. Did you know that what you eat in front of someone can make you seem more or less attractive? According to an article from Brightside, research shows that this applies more to a man and that men eating a healthier diet makes them more attractive. A 2017 study by Andrea Zuniga and others explains that a healthier diet consisting of fruits and vegetables make men more attractive. There is the more obvious notion that a healthy diet relates to good overall health, which is seen as favorable in a partner. But remember those pheromones? The study also showed that over time, a healthier diet can actually make men's smells more attractive overall. The more you eat your fruit and vegetables, the more attractive you'll be. 4, body ratios. Did you know that people have grown to determine your attractiveness based on certain body proportions? Features such as symmetrical facial bone structure and a hip to shoulder ratio can make some people seem more attractive, according to Insider. While we have included body ratios in this video for scientific reasons, we want you to know that all shapes and sizes are beautiful and attractive. While certain ratios are known to have a biological and evolutionary advantage, it definitely does not make other people any less attractive. 5, your proximity. You know that guy who sat alphabetically next to you in class 5 years in a row? Or the girl in your family friend group growing up? Did you ever develop a crush on them? Being close in proximity to someone for repeatedly long periods of time can make you more appealing. According to an article by Cheyenne Lentz from Insider, proximity makes us more likely to see people frequently and therefore more psychologically drawn to these people. 6, your kindness. Kindness matters, according to Lindsay Dodson from Insider. A study showed that putting positive character traits against someone's photo meant people rated them better looking. When someone is kind, it makes them seem more likable. Being kind can project that you are a selfless and considerate person and therefore a great choice of partner for a long-term relationship. 7, your personalities mesh well. Do you think opposites attract? Or is it better to be with someone who shares a lot of your same traits and interests? Some people might find you more attractive if you're similar to them. It can make you appear more trustworthy, and they might be more comfortable around you. On the other hand, people also find differences and variations in personality more attractive. Research explains a genetic advantage to this in terms of having children, but besides that, someone may view your uniqueness as a sort of missing piece to themselves. They may feel that your differences are interesting and therefore make you more attractive to them. And 8, you take care of yourself. Have you ever heard the phrase, you can't love someone else until you love yourself? Self-love and self-care are very important because it can ensure that your relationships will be healthier and longer lasting. As an added bonus, projecting self-love and self-care makes you more attractive. When you eat healthy, get enough sleep and exercise, that will probably show on the outside. When you look good and feel good, you attract others to you. Which of these 8 psychological reasons did you relate to the most? Do you think any of these things could help you in your next relationship? Let us know in the comments. Please like and share this video if it helped you and you think it could help someone else too. The studies and references used are listed in the description below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe